Hello folks, I'm Roger here at Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough in Scarborough, Maine. I'm doing a video today on this beautiful 2019 rear-wheel drive 144 high roof passenger van. I just took this in on trade last week. What a beautiful van. It has 5,700 miles on it. One owner. It was very well taken care of. We're going to do a nice walk around today on this Sprinter van. So as you can see right away, it's got the Mercedes-Benz aluminum wheels. It does have the electric sliding door. So it does have the hardwood floor, and it has this covering over it for protection. 12 passenger van. This does have the comfort seat package for the passengers. So your seats will recline about 6 inches, so it's nice and comfortable. Also, these seats are removable. They're pretty heavy. It takes 2 people to pop them out, but they come out very easily. And to close that electric door, we can just hit the button. Closes right up nicely. And the passenger vans have the windows all the way around. This does have a nice backup camera located above the third brake light. I'll display that a little better when we jump in the vehicle. So the gentleman that bought it did have a trailer hitch installed. You can tow 5,000 pounds behind this Sprinter van as well. Nice. You have a nice step here too for easy access in and out of the back of the van. And as you can see too, you have quite a bit of storage back here if you do keep the seats in, which is really, really nice. And then folks, we're gonna hop inside the van. I'm gonna go over a few options in there with you. All right folks, we're sitting here in the 2019 passenger van. Show you get a nice storage compartment up here. This also has Apple CarPlay and Android. You just plug in right here with the USB-C cord. You have a charging port right here beside it. We'll come down to the nice display screen. So start right here. We compare 2 cell phones. We have your radio set up right here. This has AM and FM. You can stream your music through here from your cell phone as well through this media center. We have a nice info center here. You can keep track of your fuel economy. Right now it says 2.4 miles per gallon. That's because it hasn't been driven very far recently. You have a nice navigation system. There's an app store, some nice vehicle settings. So you have ESP, which is stability control, lane tracking assist, active brake assist, and we have blind spot assist, we have attention assist. Just some nice features in this van. You have the acoustic door locks. I'm going to shut that off too so we don't lock ourselves out of the van while we're doing this video. Just some really nice amenities. I'm going to display that backup camera for you as well. So this is your regular backup camera, and it follows your tires when you're backing up. And then right here you have this yellow line. So the customer that had this installed the trailer hitch. So if you want to hook your trailer up, you can line your drawbar up. Very simple with that. This van does have the leather steering wheel. You have some nice controls right here on the right hand side. You can answer your phone and hang it up. You have your volume control for your radio right here. Also, you can control the MBUX system with your thumb too, with a little mouse pad. And on the left hand side you get your cruise control. This van also comes with heated electric mirrors. Just some really nice features. So if there's anyone out there looking for a really nice used passenger van, please feel free to give me a call. My name is Roger. My cell number is 207-838-0169. Thank you so much.